What's up guys, Alex here, welcome to Inspire Vlogs. Today's gonna be a very special day because I have one special guest.
Hi everyone!
That's my cousin, and she's gonna be in most of all of my videos, guys, right now. And we're gonna use it to make better feature of the drone. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the drone right now. The drone that we have for you guys today is the PARROT BEBOP drone. Yeah guys. Okay guys. She's gonna show you all the setup and the features of the drone, and after that we'll continue with the flight test.
Okay, so right here what we have is the drone itself, and then we have the battery right here, and then we have another battery. We have to charge the battery, and then we have different adapters for different countries. The blue part right here is the front part of the drone, and then the black part is the back part of the drone.
Here we have the propellers of the drone, and right now we're continue with the flight test. And guys, but now we're gonna show you the flight test of the PARROT BEBOP drone. She's starting this up right now. You can see the camera there. Okay. And you can start the drone now. Put it on the floor. We're starting the drone now. Take off. That's the stabilization. Right now, we're gonna get under it. Pretty good drone. Very stabilized drone. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and show you how high it could get. We're going up. Now, we're gonna get it down and we're gonna show you how long it could go. How much meters is it right now? 39 meters right now, guys.
307.
And 307 feet up, guys. Yes, guys. Really high. Now we're gonna bring it over here. Now we're at home. It's coming by itself. She's not touching anything. Getting down. That's the drone, guys. Pretty nice drone. Now I'm gonna show you. And the camera pixels, 14 megapixels. The camera. That's the drone. And now, guys, we're gonna show you if you could see something. The flying with the camera. Right there. We're gonna show it to you right now, guys. Okay, as you can see, that's the camera of the drone. Move the drone. That's the camera of the drone, guys. I'm gonna show you the other setup that I told you guys, the other camera. We're gonna use it too right now. It's right there, as you can see. And we're gonna show you another flight test. This time, we're gonna show you with the camera.
Right there, there's the neighborhood, as you can see. And it's 79 feet up and 53 to the right.
And guys, I wanted to tell you also that I bought on Amazon a tripod. That's what I'm using right now. I bought two, this one and that other one that I got already show you. Focus. And I bought a microphone. See right there? Yeah guys, I bought a microphone too. So that's the drone, a front flip. That's the back flip right there guys. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And comment down below if you want me to make more videos like this.